Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So in this video, I'm just through how to join MePass, how to get the 1 meg token for free, how to sell, how to buy, and how to get or how to earn more meg tokens. So if you're watching my video for the very first time, you are welcome. My name is Cynthia, and um if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Make sure you watch the video until the end. And those who have not subscribed, kindly, I don't know what you're waiting for, and subscribe, okay, and turn the notification bell on for the future videos. And again, don't forget to like the video itself, okay. So you can see on my screen, guys, if I see this, I feel happy somehow, but I did something bad because I've been selling my meg tokens ever since I joined. So you can see, guys, I'm gonna show you my balance. I'm showing you everything, like honest review about meg token and the MePass. Guys, it is positive. I have been on this platform from last year, I think early last year that is, and I have made more than 6 withdrawals of the free meg token that I managed to earn for free. Okay, so if I did it, you can do it. If I'm still doing it, you can do more. Okay, so you can see on my screen the price of 1 meg token right now as I speak has gone up to 8.1 USDT or dollars, because $1 is equal to 1 USDT, and USDT is a stable coin, it's a crypto, right? So if you're hearing this for the very first time, you've never interacted with crypto, you've never interacted with MePass app or meg token, please watch this video until the end, okay, so that you can understand the whole thing. Okay, so right here you can see on my screen on a meg token or MePass app P2P market. Okay, this is P2P market, anyone can access it, and I'm going to show you how you can access it. Okay, so I'm going to put the link of this MePass app on the comment section together with our WhatsApp group link. So if you want to join, you can join us. Okay, if you have any question, just comment. Okay, so you can see, guys, the price. This is the price, right? We have sell option and buy option. So you can buy if you want to invest, you can buy, and you can sell what you had invested or the one you got for free. I'm going to give you tips. That is why I'm saying you guys should watch this video until the end so that you can get the tips I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see, guys, this person is selling is the price is fixed 8.12, okay, USDT or dollars. Okay, and you can see the quantity plus the limit. If anytime you are selling, check on the limits. Every trader, they have got their own limits and their payment methods. Okay, so pay attention to that. Like for the first trader, his limit is from 1 meg token to 498.1 meg token. So that is his limit. So he cannot sell below, like he cannot buy below 1 meg token. Okay, so if you're 1 meg token and above, you can go for this person. And before you go for the person, you have to check the price if you're okay with the price. And again, you have to check on under the notes. Okay, this person is accepting Binance account. Okay, so that is maybe Binance is accepting. If you click on sell, you'll be able to see that. If you don't you don't know anything about it, go watch my MePass or meg token video I made on this channel when I was doing withdrawal. I've done several videos while doing live withdrawal. Okay, so you can check on the videos to learn how to withdraw in case you want to. Today I'm not going to withdraw. Okay, so you see, the second person or the second trader is limit is 0 point, sorry, 0.5 meg token to 166. So see, there is difference. Okay, so you check on the limit and also check on the notes, the payment methods the person is accepting. My daughter doesn't want me to do this video. So you can see this third person and so on and so forth. So guys, if you want to post an ad by yourself, or you can see post an ad, you can see your ads under here and your transactions. Okay, so I've done several transactions, guys, for free. I've never bought Make token. I've never bought Make token. So guys, let's go back. Remember, I said I joined while the price of one Meg token was $3. Right now it is $8. So even you, if you join now, you're going to be given free one Meg token. I'm going to tell you how you're gonna get it. Okay, so continue watching the video. So let us go back to the app of MePass itself. This is their P2P market. So this is the app. Okay, I'm gonna show you ways of earning more Meg token, guys. Oh my god. Okay, guys, so you can see, okay, when you log in, okay, for the first time, you're gonna get the link on the comment section. I'm gonna put the link on the comment section, as I've said earlier. I don't know whether I said that, but I've said it somewhere in the video. So for the first time, if you log into your account, is, guys, after you click on the link, it's gonna take you to where you're gonna download the app. Download the app, then register for an account. Then after that, you're gonna log in. After logging in, make sure you go direct to this place, Me ID. Okay, go to Me ID, then upload your document. You can use passport. If you don't have passport, use driver license. If you don't have driver license, please use your government ID. They have 3 options, so you choose one. Okay, so upload. They're gonna ask you to upload both front and back side. Okay, and after that, you're gonna do face verification to make sure that you are a real human being, not a robot. Okay, then after that, they're gonna give you the free one Meg token after verification, and I'm going to show you how you're gonna get more. Okay, so if you click on this, guys, well, my daughter is so stubborn. She doesn't want this video though. So guys, number one way of earning is you verifying your account and getting the one free Meg token that is worth $8 as I speak. So why not get this one Meg token, which is $8? So immediately you register, you verify your account. If it takes too much time, contact customer care and tell them you have uploaded your documents as requested, but you haven't been verified. Then they will look into the matter, even if it takes 24 hours. That is the tip of getting verified faster. I hope you understand. Okay, then second way of earning more Meg token, guys, for free, you gonna click on check-in on a daily basis. Okay, on a daily basis. Then when you get the one Meg token, it's gonna come here. You can see right here, it's gonna come to my total staked amount. You're gonna click on this place here, something looking like art, then click on earning ongoing. Then you will be able to see the one Meg token. Then you're gonna click on claim. Okay, you can claim on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, on daily basis. It is allowed. Okay, so that is number 2. Then the third way is to get monthly dividends. Okay, so I do get mine on a monthly basis. That is another way of boosting my Meg token. Okay, another way, the fourth way, is through sharing referral link. Everyone has got unique referral link, guys. If you click on this area here, let me show you. If you click on this thing right here, let me point it, guys. Let me point it. And another way too, you can stake and buy and stake more, or you can stake more. Your earnings, you stake them. But as for me, I've not staked any, so I will not advise anyone to. So you see this thing here. If you click on it, you'll be able to get your own link. Okay, you'll be able to get your own link. Then go copy it like this. After you've copied it, share it with your friends. Okay, as simple as that, and you'll be getting 0.1 Meg token every time your friends register and does verification. Okay, if I go on to my wallet, guys, no, before I go to my wallet, let me show you where you can access the P2P market. So if you scroll down like this under this explore, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see me transaction, me unicorn, then Meta Earth Bridge. Stop. Click on Jesus. So if you click on it, guys, you'll be able to see this me transaction. This is where you can access the if you click it on it, it's gonna take you to choose a browser. Make sure you choose the browser, a Chrome or any browser you're using. Then it will take you direct to me to it will take you, but for the first time you're gonna log in using your MePass. Don't put email again or password. Then you're gonna see three options. So use MePass app, okay, to log into the market. As simple as that. I don't know whether it will not take me there because I've already logged into me to the market. So I will just be taken to the market directly. You see. So I think that is that. You can see I'm being taken directly. So if you want to know how, if logging into the market is a problem, make sure you watch the previous video I made about Make Token. Okay, so let us go back again and I show you my wallet and I tell you guys it is real, and this time around I'm not selling anything. If I go, I'm not going to sell my tokens. I'm gonna keep them for some time. This is what I have. You can see I'm having around 0 USDT. Hey, and I'm having 0.9 MEC token. Okay, I'm only missing 0.1 to reach the $8, but I'm gonna leave it for some time. I'm gonna leave it. I don't have any NFT. Oh, let me explore. Let me see. So there are some NFT here. NFTs. Let's call a good hunter with advanced technology. Okay. Oh, there are some NFTs here, but I don't think whether I have any anyway. So guys, I think that is the like everything that you need to know, but the rest you can explore by yourself. If you want to sell to someone, you can click to send. If you want to buy from someone, you click on receive. Or if you are guys, you can go watch the video I made about that to avoid doing mistakes. So thank you so much guys for watching. Let me end the video here. See you in my next video.